Hello guys, this is Shihabul Islam. In this video, we are going to talk about Python. Basically, Python is the most popular programming language in this whole world. For the position of language its position is third, but it's going up to in many fields. Nowadays, it's goes to machine learning on AI engineering. So in this video, I will shared with you what is Python. If you are interested about know about Python, then this video will help you and more interesting for you. So what is Python? Python is a big level Python is a high level programming language developers use to build custom website and software. Since Python is a general purpose language, you can utilize to create various programs and software. Python is used at various fields, including data analysis, machine learning, web development, automation, scripting, and software testing, etc. The language has various useful functions that can help developers in completing their tasks in no time. If you are a beginner and you want to become a and you started your you wanted to fix your career will be a programmer and you want to be a programmer, then Python will be the best programming language for you because many varieties of sector everyone used Python. It is the fourth most popular programming language according to the survey conducted by Stack Overflow in 2022. The participant also related that utilize Python is almost 50% for the development work. Similarly, 80% of the developer and lever leveraging Python climate that they plan on using in future. Python immense popularity can be attitude attribute to its being both a high level and general purpose programming language. It requires variable editors and ideas to wire and run to code. Python have a big library and Python have a versatility, Python have a readability, Python has a large community. Python cross platform. It compatible with major operating system, making it easy to run code across different platforms. Python is more productive. Python Python help you to grow up your productivity. Python have a extensive libraries. It's have a integration capabilities. A beginner can easily learn Python and practice it. There are lots of free website to practice in Python and lots of courses like LinkedIn, Coursera, Udemy also provide and many kinds of YouTube channel you can go and learn Python by easily. Python have a big library. Python have a lots of scalability. Python have a easy learning curve and the most important things in if you Python have a career opportunities that helps you to learn about Python, and Python is a very interesting language. It's high programming language that you can use in versatile sector. I hope in this video will help you to know about what is Python. If this video will help you, then you can click on like button and share this video and also comment in below. We will see you inshallah. Today's video will be end now. Tata, bye bye.